Good afternoon, friends. I am Professor Amul Tambole. I am here to present an audio version of Rainbow Rules for English Speaking. This is the presentation I made for induction batch. It talks about few rules how to go about in English speaking. So if you are afraid of English speaking, you have opened the right presentation. Now the thing is, what made me to make this presentation? See guys, there are so many people around us today who are literally afraid of English speaking. I know you must have observed them. All this requires is just a dedication to learn new words on a regular basis and a practice of speaking. Be sure there is no other option than English if you want to face today's global competition. So have a trust, you can do it. Before reading anything, be sure that you have the confidence of English speaking. Find a single reason why you want to become an expert in English so that people will not find many reasons to scold you later only on basis of your poor English communication. You may make mistakes in each sentence, but remember, sometimes a mistake can be a new way to learn new things in life. So let's move to the rules. The first rule I have designed is listen and observe. You have to listen English a lot, as much as possible. You can listen to news in English, that can make you more knowledgeable also. Convert your favorite movies, songs, or even lectures into the MP3 format, and you can save them on your mobile phones. Being MP3, they will acquire a little space and you can listen them anytime you want. Remember this. The more words you listen, the more you can use them while speaking. Rule number 2, write something daily. It is a good practice to note down about the various incidents happening in your life around you. Do not focus initially on your mistakes. Try to convert your feelings into words. Later on, you can check them online from various online grammar check sites like Grammarly or any other. You can check it even on Microsoft Word by typing. You will slowly learn to avoid frequent mistakes and learn a good sentence forming. Let's move to the rule number 3. Read a lot. This is perhaps the most important step in English learning. If you are not fond of reading a lot, develop a habit of reading regularly. A quality English material throughout the day will definitely help you to grasp more words. You can refer to a business magazine, a textbook, an English paper, or your favorite topics information from google.com will also help. In my case, I refer to MSN and Reddit. I open up any article and I read it thoroughly. Let's move to the rule number 4. Talk to yourself. Develop a habit of talking to yourself in English during your leisure time. Even for a short time, it is okay. You can stand in front of mirror and imagine yourself giving a public speech. This will make you follow the correct body language techniques and avoid the common mistakes, if any. Because whenever you will watch it again, you will find out the mistakes you have done and you can correct it and you can make better presentations next time. Let's move to the rule number 5, which states English communication skills group. If you have other friends who also wish to speak English on regular basis, you can form a group on Facebook or WhatsApp. This group will help you to learn a lot, like it will increase your vocabulary, new phrases, it will give you current updates as well as the basic grammar. All these things you can improve. The only condition is that you have to be regular and dedicated to this group if you really want to learn. Rule number 6, ignore others. Always ignore others who are making fun of you while you speak in English and they speak in their local language. At the initial stage, everyone makes some mistakes. So others should encourage you in this process and not find out mistakes every silly time. If some people are making fun of you, please ignore them. They laugh because what you are doing is just impossible for them. So concentrate on your own task. Last, rule number 7, consult an expert. Always talk to an expert of English regularly as it helps to improve your common errors and it makes you to speak in the best correct manner. Your frequent mistakes and correct way of talking will be known to you from that person only. Keep a track of your improvements progress in English speaking to modify your current way. So guys, let's revise them again. Rule number 1, listen and observe. Rule number 2, write something daily. Rule number 3, read a lot. Rule number 4, talk to yourself. Rule number 5, English communication skill group. Rule number 6, ignore others. Rule number 7, consult an expert. Follow these golden rainbow rules and speak English properly, because if you can read up till this, definitely you can speak. Best of luck guys. For more presentations like this, you can refer to my account on slideshare.net. There various presentations have been put up by me. Have a nice day.